review for midterm test. It is a little late, but hope you can get some useful information. We will have three parts. Part 1 for homework 1, part 2 for comprehension questions, and part 3 for quiz questions. All right. Okay. All right. First, let me give you some information about the test. First, I want to talk about the test time. So as we said before, we start from Saturday, October the 31st, 12 a.m. through Monday, November the 2nd, end of day, p.m. Okay? But to make you feel not too stressful, so I may like to give you some grace period. So that's the morning of Monday, the whole morning from 12 a.m. through 12 noon. Okay? So even you submit in that period, so you will not get any penalty. So that's the number 1. So number 2, question types. 25 questions similar to those in the homework, 4 points each. All right, Question types: multiple choice, short answer, and solution type. Solution type, complete solution. You need to write complete solutions. Oh, what's wrong? Complete solution. I give you 2 such questions. So to make it a little easier, 2 such questions. So in other words, these 2 types, 23 questions. Okay, the relatively harder part, 2 questions. So not too many. The last 2. More specifically, the last 2 questions. So you must write complete solutions. All right, so number 3, when I go through your homework questions, I want to use these symbols to tell you how likely I will give you in the test. Symbol, likely, in some percentage. All right. T 100%, X 75%, Y 50%, Z 25%, and 0%. So I go through all 25 questions in your homework 1 and put this, each one I put 1 symbol there. So you can based on that, so you can allocate your precious time to prepare for the midterm. Yeah. So the last thing I want to let you know, yeah, so when I design questions, I use this principle. Okay? For those questions in homework 1, so I use this way. Okay? All right. Now right here. Okay? Yeah. The higher the miss rate, I will show you the miss rate for each question. The higher the miss rate, the more likely you will see it in the test. Okay, that principle. I try to follow that principle. Okay, all right. So with the information like this, let's go through the homework questions. All right. All right, so let me use my grading results. So you can see the miss rate, right? So here you can see the miss rate, easily. Yeah. All right, so let's start. Excuse me. All right, question number 1. The miss rate is not high, right? The miss rate is not high. Yeah. But this topic is very important. The Horner's rule. Yeah. The Horner's rule. So this topic is important. Yeah. And we did several Horner's rule questions in comprehension questions, quiz questions. Yeah. So the topic is important. Yeah. And definitely I will give you question for that topic. Okay? Yeah. So this question you will see. Yeah. Number 2, yeah. Yeah, because I tested, so I don't need to check it another time. Yeah. This one, yeah, the miss rate is pretty high. So I like to test it another time. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Try to understand this question. This one, no. Yeah. It's enough. I don't need to test you another time. Yeah. But this, number 5, this formula, it is important. Yeah. So here, although this question 5, the miss rate, nobody missed that. Yeah. But this topic is important. Yeah. Topic means using this formula to design some questions. So that kind of question is important. Yeah. And I like to test, in a different form. Yeah. Like that. Yeah. And this one, yeah. So this one, estimate that number. This I won't do it another time. Yeah. All right. Next one, yeah, the growth function. So the growth function, I like to give you one question, growth function, but this one too easy, so this one I won't. Yeah, but I like to give you a question like number 8. Yeah. like number 8. Yeah. Similar question. Yeah. Like number 8. Yeah. Number 9. Excuse me. Number 9. Number 9, you are doing quite well. Yeah, let me see. Number 9. Let me put X here. Number 10, also X. Okay. Number 11, no. Okay. Yeah, number 12. Yeah, so this one, I want to test you another time. Yeah, number 12. Yeah. Number 13, no. Okay, all right. Number 14, golden ratio. Yes. Yeah. Number 13, golden ratio. This topic, simplify that. This topic, the topic is important. Yeah. Yeah. The topic, I will test it, a similar question. Yeah. Okay. This number 15, yeah, the miss rate pretty high, like this high. So I will test it. Yeah. I will modify this question in some special way. I need to check if you really understand this solution. Yeah. This one, yeah, I think I will test it. I will test it, but I will use a large number. Okay, yeah. So that question, number 16. Number 17, I will test it and use a large number. In my, results video, so how to solve, you go back to watch. I have 2 results video for homework 1, part 1, part 2. Yeah. So go to part 2. Yeah. Yeah. Part 1 at this point. Okay. So before including question 16, part 2 starting from question 17. Yeah. So this one, the miss rate is high, but I don't want to test it another time. Okay? Yeah. Because too easy. Yeah. I don't want to test that. And then this one, I may like to test, similar question of, yeah, so let me put X. Yeah. Highly likely. Yeah, highly likely. So this one, yeah. This one, let me put yeah. Let me put X. Okay, yeah. This one, yes, number 21. So remember this idea. So I highly recommend this idea in that result video. Yeah. So this idea, I will test for sure. Okay, I will test this idea for sure. Yeah. So you need to understand the solution I talk about, this one in that result video. This one, I do not test. Although the miss rate is pretty high, yeah, but I do not want to test another time. Yeah. This one, no. All right. Yeah, so this question, yeah, I may like to test one question for this. Solve recurrence relation, solve so what's that? Second order linear recurrence relation without constant term. So homogeneous, whatever name it is, similar to this question. Okay? Similar to this question. So I will change the equation, but you need to solve in a similar way. That one, you will see it. Yeah. All right. So then this one, the last, although relatively hard, but I won't test it. I won't test it. So I try to create some reasonable questions. With reasonable difficulty, but not too hard. Not too hard. All right, so that's the homework 1 review. All right.